Hello and welcome to MBA Tips and Tricks. This is a tip for MBA Report Creator, MBA Data Reference and Resources, and PowerSchool Data Access Tags. MBA plugin support does not assist with the creation of data access tags. However, MBA has a phenomenal free plugin called Data Reference and Resource that has an entire section devoted to data access tags. Additionally, a PowerSchool Data Access Tag resource can be found by navigating to System Help, the question mark icon in the blue bar in the Start page in the upper right-hand corner of PowerSchool. Once in PowerSchool System Help, search for Data Access Tags. I would like to mention our MBA Academy. This is our core PowerSchool training division. MBA Academy has a course on data access tags called Data Access Tags and Codes. To organize the data access tags I created an MBA data access tags report using Report Creator and added the tags and formatting examples that I use frequently. I copied the examples to this report and modified them to work with the information in my PowerSchool for the different school setups in my instance. This provides a data access tags reference with working examples. As PowerSchool modifies or adds data access tags, I continue to modify or add them to the report. This has been a tip for MBA Report Creator, MBA Data Reference and Resources, and PowerSchool Data Access Tags. Thank you for watching.